Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add left or right balance to the accessibility shortcut menu on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, we scroll down, and in here, tap on accessibility shortcut. Then scroll down and tap on left or right balance to add or remove it to the menu. So if it is selected, it will be added to the menu. So here, if you triple click on the side button, that will open up the accessibility shortcuts menu, and from here you got the left and right balance. You can tap on it to switch it on or turn it off. And to remove this menu item from the menu, just deselect it, and then it will be removed from your accessibility shortcuts menu. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.